All right, I'm gonna do something that's not very safe, but just so you can see. So when I say that I can't wear my glasses when Little Bird Cricket's out, this is why. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. All right, she's over there on the perch. See her? She's over there. All right, put it on me. I'm put my glasses on. All right, did you catch that? This is all I did. I don't know what's wrong with this bird. When I first got her, she was fine. Yeah, you were fine the first 2 days.
We always you'll bring it back, right? Take your time. Take a break with Fat Rivers and Live Dealer Lighting Your Life. It's a whole new game. I was worried about going to school because I work.
That's it. That's why I... Hi, baby. Hi. You see how sweet she is? Look how sweet she is. My baby, baby, baby. Watch, she'll bite my lip. She has. Yeah, she used to. Yeah, she's a lot better now, huh? You're a good girl. You're a good girl now, huh? Yeah, we came a long way. We came a long way. We did.